GMR will see over 15 luxury launches in 2026 starting at Rs 2 crore. By 2030, redevelopmental projects may cross Rs 1.30 lakh crore. The Ganga Expressway, India's second largest, is set to open before Magh Mela 2026. With construction nearly complete, it will connect Prayagraj and Meerut seamlessly. India's first bullet train will debut by 2026. Trial runs between Bilimora and Surat will hit 320 km per hour with indigenous 8-coach prototypes under testing. Over 30 premium projects launched in Gurugram and Noida in 2026 starting at Rs 2 crore. Noida Greater Noida leads India in recent price growth. Navi Mumbai Airport opens December 25, operating day hours. Initially, a major airline will launch with 23 flights scaling to 35. Mumbai gets its second international airport. By 2026, virtual tours and 3D walkthroughs will transform property marketing. Better material planning may cut construction waste by 30%, while AI could boost sales efficiency up to 30%. Circles rates across major cities like Delhi NCR and Mumbai may rise nearly 20%, driven by land prices and large-scale infrastructure upgrades. The Delhi-Mumbai Expressway, India's biggest road project, is expected by May 2026, cutting travel time between the two cities to just 12 hours. YEIDA will launch 973 residential plots near Noida Airport in January 2026 across multiple sectors, just ahead of the airport's expected opening. Delhi Metro's Rithala-Narela corridor and Pune Metro Line 3 will partially open in 2026, significantly boosting urban connectivity. Oyo plans a 6,500 rupees crore IPO in 2026. With over 1 lakh rooms, the company reports annual profits of around 80 crore rupees. Rental yields are expected to rise from 3 to 3.5% in 2026, with Bengaluru, Hyderabad and Mumbai seeing rent hikes up to 15%. Chennai will unveil its third master plan in January 2026. The 2027 and 2046 roadmap will guide the city's growth for the next 2 decades. ESG complaint real estate is gaining momentum. Green certified projects may rise to 30% of new launches by 2026. Noida International Airport, India's largest, will begin operations in 2026. Phase 1 includes 1 runway and terminal handling 12 million passengers annually after mandatory testing. India's co-working market could hit Rs 30,000 crore in 2026 as operators expand from 15 to over 25 cities beyond metros. India plans to integrate 20 gigawatt of renewable energy by 2026, building over 10,700 kilometers of transmission lines across Gujarat, Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu. Discussions on RERA 2.0 may begin in 2026, focusing on transparency while addressing developer concerns like faster approvals and realistic timelines. A 14,000 crore rupees freight corridor will link Vadhavan Port to Samruddhi Mahamarg, easing congestion and improving north-south connectivity in Maharashtra. The FNG Expressway is set to open by 2026, cutting travel time by 40 minutes and unlocking major housing, retail and office development across NCR. Affordable housing supply may rise 8% in 2026 with prices up 5%. Key hotspots include Indore, Surat, Kochi and Jaipur. India's data center capacity is projected to grow 30% in 2026 with $2 billion in fresh investment from global and domestic tech giants. Guwahati is emerging as an IT corridor with hospitality booms across the northeast. With rising tourism, multiple REITs may launch northeast-focused funds by 2026. Commercial real estate is expected to grow up to 12% in 2026, with FDI touching $7 billion across top business cities. 10 cities including Pune, Kochi, Indore, Jaipur and Ahmedabad are set to see strong real estate appreciation in 2026. Pepperfry targets a 2026 IPO after $150 million funding and plans 50 showrooms. Sadoxo expands smart cities, Siemens launches smart building services and Ultratech adds major capacity.